Where are you going?
We're going to a market.
What are you going to buy?
Mama, we said.
Ulam only, ah?
Yeah.
We're going in Wesso.
It's birds. Look. It's birds. Birds.
Eh?
Can I scare the birds?
Yeah. Dahil summer ngayon dito, madalang makalabas si Iliana. Kaya tuwang-tuwa siya kapag nakakakita siya ng mga ganito.
Patterns. Daddy. Daddy, they put patterns.
Yeah.
Look, you see, we need to be careful of touching them, okay?
Okay.
Wesso. Hi guys! Tara, samahan nyo kami bumili ng pang-ulam for 1 week. Usually, ang budget namin para sa isang linggo ay 250 dirhams. Dab. 8.95.
I know we buy bread.
Oh, bread. Nanong bread mo, daddy? Kaya bakers.
Yeah, the red one, Papa.
Yan na.
Red one. I want the
5.50.
red one. Yay. Wait, where's our cart?
How many you've got?
2.
Okay.
Soap and bread.
Okay.
Can I hold it?
We're gonna look for vegetables.
What kind of vegetables we need?
Lettuce.
Okay, I'll get the lettuce.
Okay.
Not lettuce, lettuce.
Kaya,
Not lettuce.
okay yan.
Lettuce.
Okay.
I said lettuce, okay?
Okay.
Where's the lettuce? I found it.
No, not this one. The long one. Long. There, there.
Oh, yeah, the long one. Look at it. The long one.
Oh.
They're up there, the baby one.
Oh.
They're up
One
there.
for sinigang and one for daddy's soup.
One, two. I got 4.
What did you get, daddy?
Mushroom.
Sige, one mushroom. Nyaw, eh.
I'll put them
Magkano?
right here. We
Inoki.
got 5.
Meto mo. Malatiya yung kahit na soup.
We got 5, Mama.
Got 5.
Hi, guys. We got 5.
Okay.
Hanggang malino. Okay mo.
Oh, yes, makanyan.
we can get them.
Nenya, ining beach mushroom niya.
Can you get
Wala
some
namang kaya eh. Alang naluwa. Nano
I
pa?
need some space.
Halait ang shiitake ni.
Dad. What is this?
Ah, we need this.
Oh, one baby cucumber fall down.
For my...
Can I have a cucumber?
Oh, daddy, you ano?
I
put
want
in
a cucumber,
plastic.
Mom.
Sige, anak.
Can you give me a cucumber?
Eh, not that one. It's small.
Okay, give me
For
big
the
one.
paksiw.
I want cucumber.
Eh, manggala din eh. Magkano? Mango. Magkano ya, daddy? Makakabit.
I want
Where is the
cucumber,
mango?
Mama.
Mango.
Mommy,
Yes,
what else we need to buy? We got,
We'll buy okra.
okay, we got 16.
Daddy, give me plastic.
Right? I'm gonna help.
Okra for the sinigang. Yan.
Can you open it for me?
May matigas.
I want to help my parents. What do we need, Daddy?
Daddy, So, sinigang. How many did you get?
8.
8?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
8.
Pwede, pwede din. 10. $7.95. Oh, may itong, put in your basket.
Now we got 9.
Are you sure?
Count them.
Oh, you count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. What else? Repolyo. Where is the repolyo? Minait ka? Oh, cucumber. Me too. I want cucumber.
Oh, that's a big
How
one.
much?
Give me, Mama.
No, small.
I want to.
Mabutol na kasi ring maragol. How many cucumber for you?
That's Papa. Oh, good job, Daddy.
Tayo, magkaling kilo?
Juggle.
Oh, sige.
Can I put it? Oh, yes.
Nak, how many cucumber for you?
Now we got.
So, buri ding madagol, mabutol.
We got 10 items. Good job. Next for cucumber. Cucumber
Oh.
will be 11.
For me, one every day. So, how many for you, anak?
That's we'll share.
Yeah, you, daddy, you eat cucumber.
Oh, that's a squiggly one.
Squiggly?
Look.
Yan, ang pila na lang. Matsura. Beri mana ini? Beto, bakit nilaga yun?
Yeah.
Oh, plastic. Isang gulay, isang plastic. Lamas pa santing niya pa yun.
Yan na.
Ayan ah. Nano pa. Nano pa. May itong sinigang, may itong nilaga.
We got 12 items. 12 items.
12, okay.
I need 30 items because you buy
Hindi ka
this.
bang sibuyas na yun?
Uyos din.
How much kilo sibuyas? 5.95. Ang kasantingan to.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby, madaldan.
I'm not helping anymore. You told that to me.
Yeah, you just watch the basket. Okay?
You're dum-dum.
Ha?
You're a dum-dum.
Nang dom-dom.
That's called you pilot.
Magluto ko pang manipis sa babi nga tingrino. Oh, yan.
You're a couple.
Yes.
Can I say that? Is it unwrapped? Daddy, what is your favorite book?
Oh, yung plastic mo. Oh. Nilaga. Magkano yung patatas? May itong pa. Tungga-tungga. Tungga-tungga lang.
Petals.
Oh, mayroon tayong nilaga. May nanayabi lang kanya.
Daddy, next time can you cook me pancakes? Can you find something to make pancakes? I want to try pancakes.
There is already there.
Oh, you
Pancakes?
cook pancakes?
inina mo, oy, oh. Oy, ining bulalong ditak na. Na? This one, brother. Ne, oy, inina bulalo ne. Yan. Ay, ating bitis manok, oy, pangadagulda. Ay, buri ko na dito. Brother, can you give me the chicken feet? Yeah, let me see one. Ay, pangaragol daw, ay.
Tata.
Adwa, ne. One more. The one at the back. Yeah. Wow.
Can I hold that one, Mom?
No, that's
No, sali ka sa kanya na tomato sauce. Kalderetang bitis. Ayun. Na anong pinili mo?
What? Go. Daddy, Daddy says go. Go. I can cook it.
Tilapia.
Daddy, I can cook it.
Gusto ka na, I will check the...
What?
Ikan buring isa. Bagay bata pa aking isa. Ating katapang ututan na ipatang bang.
Bam, 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 bam.
Pwede na inimetong. Daddy. Pwede na imetong.
My father.
Baby. Magkanya ini? 12 na ini. Oh. Wala yata ang
What did you just put? What are these?
alangbok. Atay. Alangbok.
What are you putting here?
This one is
What are you guys putting there?
scrabble.
Scrabble. It's
Sangkong
Chinese.
pala, katakinang wa, para kayong soup.
Hindi na po tirang
Crab.
O, sige. Bagay di takya ito. Kapit na. Ito yung luluto. Kapit na, kapit na.
bulog.
Bala ko. Pipitok ko na kaya, bayan mo bulok.
What is this? No. What is this?
What is
Pick
it?
yan.
Kit Kat.
Pick yan. Let's go na, let's go.
Talagang. Sige na, sige na.
Mommy, what? Daddy,
Yeah.
remember there's mushroom there again. You forgot there's mushrooms
Wala
there.
na. Magpakilo na ako.
Pakilo na kapanggulo.
Can I hold it?
Prutas pala.
The ball.
Hand it with daddy, vegetable. Only
veg-
vegetable. No, that's not vegetables. You go get the vegetables. Oh.
Cucumber.
Yeah. Kilo.
This veggie?
Yeah. Sibuyas. Dikit mo kasi po tangay nila na ko.
Numegi yan.
Hi, not good. Hello. $3.95.
Those are big.
Masyado yung malog.
Those are too big.
I'm trying to... Ay, overripe no din.
Why are those are so big?
Oh, lina talaga. Bakery. Tay, tomato sauce.
I'll grab it.
Tomato paste siya yun. Masyado yung makain tomato paste. Keta siguro. Mali pa yung this one. Mali pa yung UFC aligisado kinkisado.
Coconuts? I
Yung
never
bisan
seen-
saling sobra nung itagamitan this week para tayo. Alwayan yung bagansa sa mga.
Dalawa ito yung stadium dahil.
Tay. Tay coconut
Go
cake.
na, go na.
Daddy, let's go that way. Look, I'll show
Here.
you. No, that way.
Here. Okay, here.
This way?
Spread it.
$10.95. Isakay ba this week? Ali, o erta pa sasali. Okay ta na sigurong ulam this week. Babi na.
Look, I'll show you.
Baboy.
This one, Daddy, I found it.
Namburino.
Let's go na.
Sometimes.
Wala.
O tara, baboy na, baboy.
We okay now?
Yo, okay na.
So why are we going in the elevator? Oh, we're going to get out.
Will buy, ano, baboy.
Bawal ito.
Saan ba yung baboy? Taas? Ay, brown. Mayining mo nyaman eh. Magkanya kaya? Hindi talagang I really like. Kasi yaman.
Watch. Ano? Atin pa.
Huh?
Yung Uber siya, 15. Dito ka malaya.
Eh?
Kain na, mamoy. Yung mam nito sabon eh. Bang
Too much fluffy.
tawag ka? Mamoy.
Anong gagawin dyan sa squid ball? Sino ba nag-request? Ay, crapos talaga.
Papa, what are you looking right there?
Mataba. Mataba. Inina mo. May kataba na naman yung...
Saan yung cashier dyan, te? Yung cashier.
Magkano yun? Sige, abin.
I'll keep an eye on the shopping cart, okay, Papa? I'll keep an eye on it, okay?
Pares na adobo kat na eh.
Malapit yung bili.
Malati pa rin adobo kat. Medyo mataba man. Manton kong pang manipis gilisa. Ay, ni. Ini naman. Ayan, laman niya, oh.
How you doing?
Lalagay niya itong
You're doing great.
Antayin ka muna dyan.
natuloy.
Ano yan?
Oo nga.
Antay kami.
Frozen naman.
Hindi, wala pa naman. Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Ay,
Sige lang kaya.
Manipis.
Manipis.
Ayaw niya nang magkabatis mo. Gusto niya kong kaibigan.
Taba lang ka. Taba.
Manino.
Oh, pahaba. Mataba. Mataba.
Burrito.
Meto.
Pati ko ang motor mo. Dinamit mo.
Dinalik niya kasi may nakit ko.
Ito.
Adwa at lo.
Ayan.
At lusin.
Manipis ka.
Manipis pa?
Bacon kuya, bacon. Oh. Bacon ka. Ayun.
Teka pa.
Ang dami niya. Ano eh. Pangangga mo ng next week. Buy mo na. Mataba. Hindi yata itang metong. Naruluto. Kataba. Ay, kakapal na naman.
Tutusin mo.
Aliway, itang kapal na naman. Babi. Sige, oy, maglari ay. Kailangan mo lagbo. Ito. Yan, lawing ke. Baba. Ay, ni, okay na yun. Adobo ka. Siniyagaw ng luto daw. Kadaldal. Marami pa silang items dito. Kompleto sila. Gaya ng mga hotdogs, tocino, longganisa, ham, mga kikiam, squid balls. Basta yung mga products na meron sa atin. Marami pero mahal. Kaya madalang lang kami bumili. Yun nga ang longganisa, ginagawa ko na lang eh. Hindi na ako bumibili dito. Yung kasing presyo ng half kilo ng longganisa, mas mahal pa siya sa 1 kilong baboy eh. Ayan, meron din sila mga dilata dito, kagaya ng maling, spam, rino, basta yung bawas sa mga M. Matinding nga, Ayan ang mga binili namin karne, puro frozen. Yan lang kasi ang available dito. Kahit saan grocery ka pumunta dito, frozen na karne ng Memoy lang ang available. Yung binili namin yan, aabot na ng 2 to 3 weeks sa amin. Kasi hindi naman kami araw-araw nagluluto ng karne ng Memoy. At tuwing bibili ako ng karne ng Memoy, pinagkakasya ko yung 100.
Dong! Bigyan mo nga yung nilagay ko dyan kaninang baboy. Hindi, doon yung blue. Okay.
You want to pay, anak? Oh, you pay, oh.
Ayos na biyo.
Scaring me.
You don't have money?
Just pay for it whatever you want.
Nano, okay na ne. Yan namon eh. Dalata yan?
Oh, here. Mom, can you close my bag? I just opened it this I check money.
You know you don't have money, right?
I'm just checking if somebody go when it's
Maybe there is magic.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know how to close it.
You need to put this one in the
Yeah.
button. Oh, there. Hurry up. Okay.
I think it's not yet closed.
You don't put it again. I'll try again.
Ang dami, oh. Nak, you want mango gummy? Na?
Can you close this? Mommy can't.
You want mango gummy?
Mommy, can you please?
Yeah, later we'll close.
Please.
You want mango gummy or no?
No. Next time. I want you to first to close.
Alright?
It's okay. Leave them. No. Stay there, no?
Sino pa kaya yan?
Daddy, do you like today or you don't like this day? Mommy, did you enjoy today?
Yeah,
Why?
because of you. You're so madaldal.
I helped you with the grocery.
Really? Oh, thank you. Silbay.
So like, Mom.
Dala mo nga?
Carry me, Mama.
I know. Let's go na, let's go.
I want carry.
Daddy cannot bring it alone.
No. Talk. Only I'll talk when you carry.
And that's all for today. Bye. Happy weekend.